Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of February. I know the time is less which is left, but still hope it helps. And please just it's a general reading, so just take what resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay, so let's see what's there for Pisces. What's there for Pisces? We have the Six of Swords, the Seven of Pentacles, Empress, the Knight of Wands, the Tower, the Devil, Three of Wands, Seven of Wands, and the Five of Swords. Okay. Okay, so Pisces, with the Six of Swords and the Seven of Pentacles, what I feel here is that you are moving towards peace. Okay, so you're choosing peace over whatever was holding you back, whatever was causing emotional drama in your life or emotional turbulence or some sort of, I should say, trouble in your life. So you're moving away from troubles towards peace. And with the Seven of Pentacles, what I feel is this is the you're just looking back at the time. Okay, this is my investments are how I can now put them for a new beginning. So whatever you are doing, you're leaving something behind, moving towards peace, and that peace is obviously some new beginning because you're leaving something behind. And with the Seven of Pentacles, so you're just looking at your resources and contemplating as to, yes, I want a new beginning, this is what I really want, I want a brand new beginning for myself. And you're just reviewing as to how should I move ahead for whatever the resources you have, whatever the finances you have, or whatever the abilities you have, whatever the talent you have, whatever it is. This is the time you're just reviewing and contemplating as to how to make a move because you really want a new beginning for yourself. And that is what you are contemplating and manifesting yourself, and that is what you want. And then we have the Knight of Wands, the Tower, and the Devil. So what I feel is perhaps with the Knight of Wands, maybe you are rushing in towards some, maybe because you are manifesting a new beginning, perhaps with the Knight of Wands, you rush in towards it very, very fast because you will feel very, very passionate for it. And what I feel is there is something which you are ignoring here. Maybe this impulse of rushing in towards whatever this new beginning is, if you are rushing in, then we have the Tower and the Devil. There is something which is holding you back here. There is something which is causing this tower moment, and this tower moment seems to be perhaps you're repeating the same mistake. Maybe you were repeating because with the devil and the tower, and this is you moving towards something very, very passionately without thinking twice. Okay, without giving it a thought, you are just rushing in towards something, and all the plans have crashed down. That's what I feel. The moment you made that impulsive move because of the passion or the drive or the impulse, things things crash down. And with the devil being there, maybe this is not the first time that this has happened. Maybe it is that it is a repetition, or it is a repetition of something which has happened in the past also. Maybe you have experienced this thing in the past also because of this rash movement in your life, or this rash, excuse me, decision, or this impulsiveness in your life. It can be that. But with the tower, something is definitely shaking up, something is definitely, your plans are falling apart. That's what I'm getting. And there is something significant here with the devil being there. There is something negative to attach to it. Just please give me a moment. see, what I am getting here is it is because I think it is some sort of an addiction, maybe some sort of a pattern which is happening in your life. That's what I feel. This is not the first time that I feel that this has happened. You've experienced these moments time and again. Whenever you make an impulsive move, things come crashing down. And then we have the Three of Wands, the Seven of Wands, and the Five of Swords. So, what I feel here is that you are turning your back towards the situation now, trying to have a new beginning in your life. And with the Seven of Wands, though you are now very, very defensive, your guards are up, but yes, you are struggling also in some way. It's not easy for you to perhaps move in this new direction with the Three of Wands. You are definitely waiting for the right time, opportunity, turning your back to the situation. But with the Seven of Wands, definitely you are struggling to defend your title here. You defend, this is something that you are defending something here. You are defending your identity perhaps. You're trying to defend yourself, struggling for something. It's like the journey is not easy. And what I feel here is that with the Five of Swords, this is some sort of manipulation, sabotage, some sort of fight. Something is definitely there which is causing this struggle. Let me take some more cards, Pisces, because it's getting very... More messages for my Pisces, please. Some more messages for Pisces in this situation. So we have the Ace of Pentacles, okay? The Six of Pentacles and the Chariot, okay? So what I feel here is that whatever, maybe it is a time of struggle and confusion, and since you have, I should say, you've harmed yourself by this impulsive move. But yes, you are turning your back from this situation, whatever was holding you. I think this was something which was totally, you were addicted to it perhaps. This pattern, whatever it is, that impulsive move and then getting the same results again and again perhaps. And now you're turning your back, though it is you are having a tough time perhaps. Maybe you are having a tough time moving, turning your back to this situation. It can be that also, but still you are doing it. Maybe in due course of time you have some sort of an argument or a fight with the person, with because of which this tower moment has occurred, or maybe with somebody else. I don't know, but there is some sort of manipulation. That fight, that argument is still there because during this struggle. But yes, with the Ace of Pentacles, once you are able to make this move forward or come out of this, whatever was holding you back, with the Three of Wands, you are definitely ready for a new beginning. It's not that you have turned your back, but I think you're finding it hard. It's not easy for you to move ahead. And with the Five of Swords, it is perhaps this is the fight which has happened between the both of, in this situation something has happened here which has called this tower moment. So it was perhaps because of some mistake of yours, as I said. With the Knight of Wands, some impulsive move, a rash move was done, and I think this is that energy which you are struggling because of. Okay, you're struggling because of this. And but you have the Ace of Pentacles, which is a new beginning, which is stable. So you will be able to achieve this new beginning if you're waiting for the right time. And then we have the Six of Pentacles and the Chariot. So yes, it may take some time in balancing the situation, sorting things out, gaining the control of your life back. Okay, so whatever the fight, whatever this self-sabotaging energy was with the Five of Swords, once you turn your back, though it is a struggling period, but yes, you will be able to come out of it. Once you're able to do that, maybe it's tough, but once you're able to do that and push through it with the Ace of Pentacles, you have new beginnings, things will be sorted out and get stable. And with the Chariot, you will be in a position to make things will be under your control. You will be in a position to take action for your future and move ahead very, very fast in your future once the things are in control. So I think this is the time you are spending to control or fight that situation. I think you're fighting this tower still. Whatever this tower and this devil was, you are still fighting out that energy. Maybe you're fighting out the negativity, we are fighting out that energy, and just struggling for this new beginning. You're struggling for this new beginning. Let's see what is the message from this deck for Pisces. Okay, so we have the King of Clubs here, which is the magician of this deck. So definitely new beginnings are there on the horizon. You are just fighting your way out, I think. You're fighting your way out for the new beginnings. Okay, and coming out of this tower moment, whatever has happened in your life. Healer of action is the guidance from the angels. It is a time when you can do whatever you set your mind to if your heart is open. You are being asked to do many things at once. You won't mind as long as you know you are making a difference. This card indicates someone who is loving, intelligent, passionate, and fun, which could be you. This person can handle difficult situations with grace. So, yes, you are in a difficult situation, but you will be able to handle it once you are able to find your way out of this, whatever this is, which has really shaken you. But you will be able to achieve a new beginning and stability in your life, and things will be back in control, Pisces. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.